All right, so it took me a minute to get back here, but today I'm going to try a couple hacks to remove paint from the glass. I was a little bit lazy to retape it and I didn't have any of that, nice stuff to put on there, but saw a couple cool hacks online that I'm going to try out to see if I can at least get it off the glass, which again I wasn't too worried about because it's non-porous. So here are a few things I tried. So starting off, I saw somewhere that if you use a blade just to kind of score the edges, that can help with minimizing how much paint gets pulled off. I also found some alcohol, so rubbing alcohol that I'm going to spray on there, and then using a scraper that I had from something else to kind of help pull that off. So after doing that with the alcohol, it came off okay, not too much elbow grease, but it did tend to pull off the paint from the door, or either that or I'm heavy-handed. And also, I was a little bit worried because it looked like it was drying out some of the paint around the door. So I think I'm going to try a couple of their options just to see if I can have it more cleaner. So I also switched the sides of this because I think I was using the blunt end before. So I switched it so that the sharper blade end is actually in use. So hopefully that can help with the removal. And then wanted to start off here with Goo Gone, which was okay. Wasn't a real big fan because it's a little bit oily. So on the other side, I decided to try window cleaner. So I had this bottle just laying around, and overall, I think the window cleaner is the way to go. So what I did was basically just sprayed on a few panels at a time, a few of the window panels at a time, so that the spray could sit and soak in. And once that was done, I felt like it came off a little bit easier and also didn't make as much of a mess while allowing me to be able to clean the windows in the process. So a little bit of a win all over. So here's just a quick demonstration of how that went. Let that spray in and I'll let it soak for a bit. So it soaked for, a few seconds, nothing too long. And I'm going to try here with my steady hand to be able to pull this off, or at least scrape this off. And as you can see, it's basically coming off like butter, soft butter. So it was nice, still a little bit of, work to be able to pull it off cleanly, but it's a fave. So here's the outcome of that. And windows cleaner is the way to go. So I'm going to have to do some touch-ups here using Vaseline, but hopefully that would be a quicker process.